My name is Bill Marcheski. I'm working on a garden today, aerating it, give it some air, and hopefully everything comes out all right in the garden. It's a nice place to do things for and help people out. I hope the younger generation takes a little look at it and see what's going on. Other than that, it takes time, but time is nothing. As long as you're up and can do things, that's the best thing to do. Well, when I started about 2.5 years ago, I got in contact with the people and I checked with them. And she says, yeah, very well, you can pick out what you want. I said, I picked these two out. And she left me do what I have to do and try to keep care of it. And so far, they appreciated what's going on. They wish me a lot of luck with it. And I said, thank you very much. I appreciate letting me do it. I said, it keeps me busy and I enjoy doing it and try to help other people out as much as I can. I'm just responsible for my two plots, number 8 and number 9, and I try to take care of it. And I have a friend that helps me out once in a while. She's my girlfriend, which is Mary Lou Chacona, and she comes down. She mostly takes care of the flowers over there for us, and I take care of this part, and we both work together on it. And like I said, it's good for the community to see what's going on with it could be coming back, and as long as we have cooperation from a lot of people around and appreciate what's going on. There's tomatoes in this plot right here where I'm standing. The one on my right would be hot peppers, banana, habanero, jalapeno, and over in here we got onions that are coming up. My second batch of onions, really. I just put 90 more back in. And this is parsley. There's dill.
Oh, there you go. There, dill, basil. That looks.
And basil.
Okay.
So they're growing good. That's coming up very well.
Looks really nice.
Yes.
Have a fresh Capri salad with the basil.
That's what it's for, exactly.
Homemade mozzarella, right?
Well, we got that in the refrigerator.
Oh, there you go. Okay.
Not homemade though, but it's bought.
Hey, it'll do the job.
It'll
right?
do the job, yeah. Other than that, this is about it, and it keeps me busy, and I enjoy it. Matter of fact, I think a couple of weeks or maybe a month ago, they were over with mulch. They cleaned everything out and put mulch in. So they had a nice group of people here that did all that work, put the mulch around. There was some kids with them, and they did a good job on that. And then once in a while, I'll come over if the place is messy like it is now. I'll get my hose out and I'll wash the place down and clean it up a little bit, which I'm not going to do it today because it just rained. So
Sure.
And I don't know.
Right.
Yes, it did. Yeah.
I noticed
So-
have the spigots right on the.
Yes. Matter of fact, there's the main one right where I have my garbage bag up there.
Okay.
That's the main one. I have a key for that one to turn the water on. So I collect my hose up to it, or a sprinkling can. I carry a sprinkling can in the car. And I water the garden. I won't do it today, like I said. There's the tables, and people can come down and have a little lunch once in a while if they want to bring their basket. It's a nice place to do it. Nice atmosphere around.
The shade.
You have the shade.
Yeah.
You have stoves there if you want to do anything.
It's nice. Okay.
Yeah, I forgot about the stoves. Yeah, they're there. And then they have some activities going on once in a while with the sheds over there and all that stuff.
Sure. Yeah.
And then they have a concert once in a while. And
Do they still do the block parties?
once in a while they'll have stuff going on, yes. I don't know what their summer programs are right now offhand, I couldn't say.
Bill, are you growing mangoes?
I can't do them. I wanted to, but I couldn't get another bay. Everybody had the bay. I had bell peppers in mine.
Okay.
I do Lady Luck, they're called.
Okay.
And I just have no room right now. And when I had my home up in the hill in Cole Township, I had 84 plants in at one time.
Okay.
I had everything growing. I give it away. Just so I have enough for myself, and then I used to give it away. Whoever will I put a table out, and then people stop at the house and take what they want. It's just a hobby for me. I enjoy it.
All right, Bill. Thanks again.
Yep.
Time.
I appreciate it very much.
So I don't want you to get in trouble.
I thank you very much
Checked
for
in on
coming. I hit it the right time, so